Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. So we have a new listing, guys. So these are all residential subdivision. Includes house and lot only subdivision. It's a beachfront subdivision located here in Barangay Aguho, Daan, Bantayan, Cebu, and developed by Doros Land Incorporated. You know, Doros Land, guys, has so many developments. They develop prime locations, mga residential and commercial. So they have so many developments, usually in preferably in Liloan, Cebu. So now this is their new development, guys. As you can see, they have already information from the Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development. So makaingon jud ka nga this is the legitimate development, kay doon na may mga subdivisions that has no like this, no department, no DSUD, no way mga license to sell. So this one, Doros Land, has already applied, no, their permits and everything. So from here going to the beach, they have this subdivision is composed of 4.6 hectares. So upat og 6,000 square meters, upat ka hektarya kapin, no, lot only subdivision, and there is also a house and lot subdivision. So the cutting of the lot only on house and lot is around 150 to 200 square meters, and it has, no, a world-class amenities. So from here, guys, as you can see, ila paning i-landscape og tarong. They will landscape everything. Then if you can acquire, you can just walk easily going to the beach. So let's go, guys, no. This is the good thing, guys, no, kay actually dili gyud all kaayo sa beach ang atong mga lote, no, kay but if you want to have a nearer, it has different prices, no. Remember, this is a subdivision and it has complete amenities. They have their own video, no, we can attach in our video also, so for more information regarding the property. So they are now accepting letter of intent. Dawat na sila og letter of intent, guys. So nindot kayo kay kung mo kuha na ka, maka daghan naman sad ni kuha bitaw. There are so many have acquired already in submitting the letter of intent, and once you have already a letter of intent, if all the permits are already ready, so you are going the company or the in charge of the company will call you, no. So nindot kaayo. So makita na to, no, dagat ya, no. So it's a bit, guys, so you just walk a little na lang, guys, no. Nindot kayo, we can walk a little. Then there are the famous islands, no, Kinatarkan and Malapascua. So mga divers diha, anha kayo, anha mo kuan, mga foreigners. So this is it. So if you want to have an investment, this one is one of the best, because it's just walking distance to the beach, although it has swimming pool, more amenities, no. As they said, it's a world class amenities. So nindot kayo, guys, kung maka-acquire ta diri. Then for inquiries, just contact me. Kay atong i-reserve or what you call that is to apply for letter of intent. So mao na siya, guys, letter of intent pata, kay murag do na pa say gamay na lagid kayong kulang, or makita na naman nato nga nanay kuan sa nanay go signal no sa Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development. Pero murag na pay gamay kulang lang mana nga ni kuan na gyud sila ni accept na gyud sila og letter of intent. So nindot kayo, tatag kayo, the next time kuan. Pero we will go there guys, we will go there, okay? As you can see no, na gyud no, it's already been developed na, gisugda na gyud no. So better you can apply letter of intent just at 0917-1133-711 Viber or WhatsApp no, or katuruzan@yahoo.com. Ako ray butang diha sa para makakuanta, because this is kanang rare panagsara ka ining nag-offer ang ingon ani nga subdivision no, Doros land talagsara gyud. So regarding the drainage, makita man nato no na mga giredi na daan ang mga drainage system guys, paingon dito ano na siya guys. So dili gid ka maka ingon nga kuani tiaw-tiaw ni nga development. It's really a high-end development. Then while it's ingon ani pa no, still on declaring, okay, usually like condominium manggod guys, kung gitawag nag pre-selling pa, wala pa ni barog, wala pa malimpyo, makabarato pa gyud ta. So you can have an opportunity to the good prices no. Pero this one is already has its own price na gyud guys, pero dili pa man gyud ta maka-declare kay doon na pa gamay kulang, although they have already the desod no. So mao man ay ilhanan sa mga subdivision nga kuan nay uban nga istorya ra gyud ang ahente nga kininindot ni nga kuan subdivision, pero wa gyud permit gikan sa Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development. This one, Doros Land Incorporated, will comply everything. So wa gyud nothing to worry gyud guys. So ang imong kwarta guaranteed gyud guys, sigurado gyud na. So dili maosik. So this is located in Barangay Aguho, Daan, Bantayan, Cebu. So it's as northern part of Cebu province. Tumoy dapit sa Cebu. Kay pinataas man ning Cebu. So the northern part and the last town no in northern Cebu. So mao na siya guys ang iyahang location. Then I think it's more or less from Cebu City na gyud mga 3 hours drive. Although there are upcoming kay naa naman gi kuan naman ang airport murag I don't know kung nasugda na ba gyud, basta sigurado na ay upcoming airport sa dire sa Medellin, which is the adjacent town of Daan, Bantayan, Cebu. So nindot kayo ni, because if you are going to have a vacation place in the northern part of Cebu, kini one of the best. Mingaw, so white place, so you can have your own kuan guys, good place for retirement. So nindot jud kayo ni. Then we will continue, then we'll have a small drone lang no sa location. We'll continue to the beach. Nindot kayo ni, maglakaw-lakaw na lang ka dire, paingon sa beach or magjogging-jogging kay i-fave man gyud ning karsada ni guys. Nindoton man gyud ning karsada. They will make it into a very good road no, concrete road tanan. So yan, there is a 24/7 security. Okay, let's continue. So this is the development guys no. So again, this is 500 meters wide beachfront. So 500 meters wide. ato ang dagat. So, wow. Bitaw guys, that is already the kuan. Kini guys, it's been already ano may naliko dito. So ang nindot ani guys kung high tide no. Pero according to the plan of the development, kini mga bato-bato malimpyo na ni siya pohon. So it can be already in good situation no. So mao na ni guys. Again, this is 4.6 hectares beachfront development no. Developed by Dorosland Incorporated, and this is the beachfront. Now we are at the low tide. Low tide siya guys, but you know, according to the plan no, of the development, they will what you call that, tarungon yun nila, they will arrange that, or tarungon yun nila ang pag-develop sa beach, kanindot na kaayo. So na may ilang video ani atong ilang plano, ako sang i-attach lang para maklaro gyud. I will attach the video of the developer no. Then again, you can now have a letter of intent. So accept na sila og letter of intent guys. So basin daghan na bang nakakuha, there's so many no who got the letter of intent. So much better nga mo letter of intent na punta, because basig mahotdan ta ba kay kuan. But If you don't like kuan guys, lot only, you want house and lot, there is also a house and lot on this development. So just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, then we will process transfer of title. Again, this is northern part of Cebu province. Norte ni siya guys, sa norte ni. From Bugo, the city, next is Medellin, then here is the Daan Bantayan. Na may Bantayan Island, pero kini siya Daan Bantayan. This is the mainland. I think that is the kuan guys, no? Malapaskua, then the other side is the kuan guys. At bang ragyod kaayo. The Kinatarkan Island. Nindot sa na mga white sand beaches. Daghan na mga foreigner diha guys. Murag ari ka diri ba mo kuan pwesto. Ari ka diri mo kuhag lote, for example, then you can go somewhere, no? Enjoy lang. Fishing pwede. Ana siya guys. Sa Lindot, no? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.
Welcome to an extraordinary coastal paradise where comfort blends with tranquility in an exclusive beachside community. Welcome to the Mentigi Point. Imagine waking up every morning to the soothing sound of waves crashing against the shore, feeling the gentle sea breeze brushing against your skin, and enjoying breathtaking ocean views from the comfort of your own home. Located in Barangay Agumo, Daan Bantayan, at the tip of mainland Cebu, the Mentigi Point boasts of more than 500 meters of pristine white sand beach, crystal clear turquoise waters, and glorious sunsets that will take your breath away. Here, you can wake up at dawn to meet the arriving fishermen with their night's catch and indulge in seafoods all you want, cooked or otherwise. Every day can feel like a vacation as you engage in the endless water activities, including swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, or simply relaxing under the warm sun. The islands of Kinatarkan and Malapascua are just a boat ride away, waiting to be explored. In addition to the breathtaking surroundings, the Mentigi Point also features an impressive array of world-class amenities for residents to enjoy. From the palm tree-lined boulevard to landscape gardens, swimming pool, a basketball court, an outdoor gym to rejuvenate your body and mind, a commercial strip, and many more. Socialize with neighbors and friends at the clubhouse or host memorable gatherings in our outdoor barbecue areas and picnic spots. The Mentigi Point is just a kilometer away from the Bantayan Astrodome and Cebu Technological University, while modern malls in Bugo City and even the upcoming airport in Medellin are just a short drive away. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to own a wonderful home in the Mentigi Point, whether as a primary residence, a vacation retreat, or an investment property. This is coastal living at its finest. Contact your broker now to secure your slice of paradise in the Mentigi Point.